At the police station. Excuse me, officer. I need to report a stolen wallet.
I'm sorry to hear that. When did this happen?
About an hour ago, at the subway station.
Can you describe what was in the wallet?
Yes, my ID card, credit cards, and about $50 in cash.
What color was the wallet?
It was black leather with a gold zipper.
Did you see the suspect?
No, I didn't notice until I got here.
All right. Please fill out this report form.
Should I cancel my credit cards?
Yes, do that immediately. We'll contact you if we find anything.
Thank you for your help.
You're welcome. Stay safe.
I need to report. When did this happen? Can you describe? Fill out this form. Listen and repeat. I need to report. I need to report. When did this happen? When did this happen? Can you describe? Can you describe? Fill out this form. Fill out this form. At the phone repair shop. Hi, my phone screen is cracked. Can you fix it?
Let me take a look. Oh, yes, we can replace the screen.
How long will it take?
About 2 hours. It's not too busy today.
And how much will it cost?
For this model, it's $120 for the screen replacement.
Does that include labor?
Yes, parts and labor included. We also offer a 90-day warranty.
That sounds good. Can I wait here?
Sure, or you can come back in 2 hours.
I'll come back. Do you need my phone password?
Yes, please write it down here.
Okay, here you go. See you later.
See you soon.
Can you fix it? How long will it take? How much will it cost? Parts and labor included. Listen and repeat. Can you fix it? Can you fix it? How long will it take? How long will it take? How much will it cost? How much will it cost? Parts and labor included. Parts and labor included. Asking for directions.
Excuse me, I'm looking for the Central Library. Do you know where it is?
Yes, go straight down this street for 2 blocks.
2 blocks straight?
Yes, then turn left at the traffic light.
Turn left at the light. Got it.
You'll see a big park on your right. The library is just past the park.
How far is it from here?
About a 10-minute walk. You can't miss it. It's a large red brick building.
Is it open now?
Yes, It's open until 8 p.m.
Perfect. Thank you so much for your help.
No problem. Enjoy your visit.
Have a great day.
I'm looking for... Go straight 4 blocks. Turn left at... You can't miss it. Listen and repeat. I'm looking for... I'm looking for. Go straight 4 blocks. Go straight 4 blocks. Turn left at... Turn left at... You can't miss it. You can't miss it. At the electronics store. Hi, I'm interested in buying a laptop. What do you recommend?
What will you mainly use it for?
Mostly for work, documents, emails, and video calls.
This model here is perfect for that. It's lightweight and has great battery life.
How long does the battery last?
Up to 12 hours on a single charge.
That's impressive. What about the warranty?
It comes with a 2-year manufacturer's warranty.
Can I upgrade the memory later?
Yes, this model is upgradable up to 16 gigabytes.
What's the price?
It's $899, but we have a promotion this week, 10% off.
Great, I'll take it.
Excellent choice. Let me bring that up for you.
What do you recommend? What will you use it for? How long does the battery last? It comes with a warranty. Listen and repeat. What do you recommend? What do you recommend? What will you use it for? What will you use it for? How long does the battery last? How long does the battery last? It comes with a warranty. It comes with a warranty. Talking to your neighbor. Hey, Tom, I haven't seen you in a while. How have you been?
Hi, Emma. I've been good, thanks. Just busy with work.
I understand. By the way, I'm having a small dinner party this Saturday. Would you like to come?
That sounds lovely. What time?
Around 7 p.m. Nothing fancy, just some friends and neighbors.
Should I bring anything?
Oh, you don't have to, but if you'd like, maybe a dessert or some wine?
Sure. I'll bring a bottle of wine.
Perfect. Oh, and feel free to bring a guest if you want.
Thanks. I'll probably come alone, though.
No problem at all. See you Saturday then.
Looking forward to it. Thanks for inviting me.
My pleasure. Would you like to come? What time? Should I bring anything? Feel free to bring. Listen and repeat. Would you like to come? Would you like to come? What time? What time? Should I bring anything? Should I bring anything? Feel free to bring. Feel free to bring. At the dry cleaner. Hello, I need to get this suit cleaned for a wedding this weekend.
Sure. When do you need it by?
Is Friday afternoon possible?
Let me check. Yes, we can have it ready by Friday at 3 p.m.
Great. How much will it cost?
A suit is $15 for dry cleaning.
Do you do alterations as well?
Yes, we do. What needs to be altered?
The pants are a bit long. Can you hem them?
Of course. That's an additional $12.
Okay, please do both then.
No problem. Here's your receipt. Your pickup number is 347.
Perfect. See you Friday.
See you then.
I need to get this cleaned. When do you need it by? How much will it cost? Do you do alterations? Listen and repeat. I need to get this cleaned. I need to get this cleaned. When do you need it by? When do you need it by? How much will it cost? How much will it cost? Do you do alterations? Do you do alterations? At the post office. Hi, I'd like to send this package to Canada.
Sure. Let me weigh it for you.
How long will it take to arrive?
We have two options. Standard shipping takes 7 to 10 business days.
And the other option?
Express shipping takes 3 to 5 business days.
What's the price difference?
Standard is $25, Express is $45.
I'll go with standard shipping, please.
Okay. Do you want to insure the package?
Yes, how much is insurance?
It's $5 for up to $100 coverage.
Yes, please add insurance. Can I track it online?
Yes, here's your tracking number. You can check it on our website.
Thank you so much.
You're welcome. Have a nice day.
I'd like to send this package. How long will it take? What's the price difference? Do you want to insure it? Listen and repeat. I'd like to send this package. I'd like to send this package. How long will it take? How long will it take? What's the price difference? What's the price difference? Do you want to insure it? Do you want to insure it? At the gym. New member. Hi, I'm interested in joining the gym. Do you have membership options?
Yes, we have monthly and annual memberships.
What's included in the membership?
All gym equipment, group classes, and locker access.
Are personal training sessions included?
No, but members get a 20% discount on personal training.
How much is the monthly membership?
It's $50 per month with no contract.
Can I try it out first?
Absolutely. We offer a free one-day trial pass.
That's perfect. When can I start?
You can start today if you'd like. Let me show you around.
That would be great. Thank you.
Follow me and welcome to our gym.
I'm interested in joining. What's included? How much is? Can I try it out first? Listen and repeat. I'm interested in joining. I'm interested in joining. What's included? What's included? How much is? How much is? Can I try it out first? Can I try it out first? Great job practicing today. Remember, the more you practice these conversations, the more confident you'll become in real situations. If you found this helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more practical English conversations. See you in the next lesson. Next lesson.